with the infrastructure, they're very good. It's excellent. So 500 kilometers equates to 5 hours and not 5 months. So it's very easy to access it. There's no jungle, and with the exposed areas which we've seen, we're pretty confident that the first drill holes will generate already some very good results.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by AJN Resources CEO Klaus Eckhoff. Klaus, very good to see you again. You've signed a deal to acquire up to 70% of the Dabel Gold Project in northern Kenya. Tell us more about what you're acquiring.
Well, we looked at the area over the last 6 months. It took us quite a long time to clean everything up there. I mean, there was a lot of artisanal activities there. It's a virgin discovery. It has never been drilled. It's never been looked at by anybody. And the government, as you probably have seen, in Kenya is now looking to get more mining orientated on top of the tourism that you have with a new government, with Ruto on power. And we thought, it's a good opportunity to look at the country. Historically, we looked at it in the 90s and it was difficult to work there. But with the new government there, we feel that it's possible. And then with hardly any discoveries over the last 20 years there, we feel that we have a good chance there.
And the potential you're seeing here, so you mentioned the artisanal mining at Dabel. What's the potential you're seeing?
Well, I mean, as you probably know, I always try to find something world-class, big. We think, that 4, 5, 6 million ounces should be the target there, which is probably achievable in a short term too. The strike extent of the mineralization is over 60 kilometers. So it's not like a tiny little sort of resource there maybe. And the areas which we looked at, they're all 2, 3, 4 kilometers long of artisanal activities. The width of the mineralization is very visible. It's around 50 meters wide. And we're definitely sure that it's on a major structure. So it will go down at depths. So with a little bit of drilling there, we could probably show everybody that there is big potential there.
So under the agreement you've signed, you're going to do a 90-day due diligence during which you have to have a minimum of 1,000 meters of drilling. Take us through your exploration plans at this stage.
Yeah, I mean, maybe just from a background point of view, because Kenya is different from other locations where the Mining Act is also looking after landowners. So we had to sign up around 1,100 landowners in the area. So that there is no problems there for us to operate there. We will go on site in the next week. We do an inspection of the drill locations, which we're already selecting. We got 4 drill rigs lined up to go in early November on site. So with the infrastructure, they're very good. It's excellent. So 500 kilometers equates to 5 hours and not 5 months. So it's very easy to access it. There's no jungle. And with the exposed areas which we've seen, we're pretty confident that the first drill holes will generate already some very good results.
And could you just outline the terms of the deal with us, please?
Yeah, I mean, initially, when we can go up to 60, 70% or 70%, as we said there, it's pretty clear how we're going to do it. I mean, once we issue these shares to the vendors, we will get up to 60% immediately. Those 60% will be transferred. And then it's up to us to make a decision, if the resource is as big as we think, we will exercise the other options, the cash payments as quickly as possible. And then also naturally, as you know, it depends on the gold market and the environment we are in as usual. But at the moment, it's not too bad for juniors, but I wouldn't call it excellent. The juniors are still suffering worldwide. But there is a few bright spots in Australia and in Canada. And I think, that over the next 2 to 6 months, it might jump over to the junior sector too.
Well, Klaus, I hope you'll keep us updated with any progress you make at that new discovery. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Yeah, thank you for your time. I'm looking forward to talk to you in a few months with some good results.
I look forward to that too. And that's AJN Resources CEO Klaus Eckhoff.